Good morning, children. How are you all? I think you all are fit and fine, and you all are staying at home during this pandemic. Children, this is our first lesson of computer, and today we will discuss about generations of computer. That is lesson 1 of our computer book. Okay, children, then let's start generations of computer. First of all, we will discuss what is generation. It is just like our own families, which include grandparents, parents, children. Computer has its different generations like UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer, personal computer, desktop computer, tablet, etc. The computer has become smaller, faster, and more advanced than previous generations. Children, now we will come to know about more precisely generations of computer. Generation means remarkable improvement in any product or growth and development in computer technology. So, what is the meaning of generation or generations of computer? Generation means remarkable improvement in any product or the growth and development in the computer technology. So, in general sense, it means growth and development in computer technology. The different computer generations are categorized according to the technology of basic computing elements. There are 5 generations of computer. First generation computers 1946 to 1958. Second generation computers 1959 to 1964. Third generation computers 1965 to 1970. The fourth generation computers 1971 and onwards. Fifth generation computers present and beyond. Children, now I will discuss with you about first generation of computers. Duration, as I told you, the duration of the first generation of computer is 1946 to 1958. It was started in 1946. They were very expensive, used huge amount of electricity and generated lot of heat. It was made up of thousands of vacuum tubes. It used machine language, which was lowest level programming language understood only by the computer. The machine language is not been understood by the human being. Example of the first generation of computer is ENIAC and UNIVAC. And what is the point? We should note down. The point is that in the first generation, vacuum tube was invented as a main instrument or main technology for the computer. Now we will come to know about the second generation of computer. Children, this is the image of vacuum tube. And in the rightmost corner, children, this is the image of the first generation computer. So left side vacuum tube and right side first generation of computer. Now our point of discussion is second generation of computers. Duration 1959 to 1964. Use of transistors, small, low power, low cost, more reliable than vacuum tubes. So, what is the main instrument developed for the second generation of computer? Main instrument developed for the second generation of computer is transistor. And as the invention of transistor made the size of the computer small, low power, low cost, more reliable than vacuum tube. Magnetic core memory was used in the second generation of computer. Reliable in comparison to first generation computers, smaller size as compared to first generation computers, generated less heat as compared to the first generation computers, consumed less electricity as compared to first generation computers, faster than first generation computers, still very costly and AC required, supported machine and assembly languages. That means for the second generation of computer, machine and assembly level languages are required to create programs. Children, in the left side, this is the image of second generation computer after invention of transistor. And in the right side, this is the instrument is said to be the transistor. The transistor, all the transistors are showing 3 pins. This is the image which is said to be the transistor. Now children, I will discuss with you about third generation of computers. Third generation computers. Duration 1965 to 1970. IC, full form of IC is integrated circuit, was invented and it was used as a main technology or main component in the third generation of computers. So what we can say, IC are used as a main component. Keyboards and monitors. You children all know your you all are familiar with the keyboard and monitors. Keyboard and monitors are used as an interface along with operating system. These computers were introduced with magnetic storage. That means within the third generation of computer, magnetic medium are used as a storage of data and information. More reliable in comparison to previous two generations, smaller size, generated less heat, faster, lesser maintenance cost, AC required, consumed lesser electricity, supported high level language. So, these are altogether the characteristics of third generation computer. Children, the left side figure it is showing this is said to be the integrated circuit or IC, and in the right side this is the image of a third generation of computer. Children, now our point of discussion is about fourth generation's computer. Duration 1971 and onwards. Major innovation LSI, LSIC and VLSIC, or in short we can say the invention of microprocessor. So we can say microprocessor are the major invention as well as the main component used in the fourth generation of computer. Main memory used in the fourth generation computer are EPROM and SROM. EPROM full form is EPROM, electronic programmable ROM, and SROM, SRAM means static RAM. External storage, floppy disk, hard disk. Input and output devices are invented during this period are monitor and output. Languages, that means the programming languages are used in the fourth generation of computer are languages and application softwares. Operating system, MS-DOS as well as PC-DOS. Size, microcomputer. So, during this period only, the invention of microcomputer has been taken place, and micro means size is too much smaller as compared to first and second generation of computer. Example, IBM PC, Apple Macintosh. Children, in the left side figure, it is showing the image of microprocessor, and in the right side the image is showing to you about the fourth generation computer. And left side corner image is showing you the internal structure of a fourth generation computer. Now children, our point of discussion is fifth generation computers, that is present and beyond. The fifth generation computers will use super large scale integrated chips. They will have artificial intelligence. They will be able to recognize image and graphs. They will be able to use more than one CPU for fastest processing speed. And other features of the fifth generation computers are intended to work with natural languages like English. Fifth generation computers or computer aims to be able to solve highly complex problem including decision making and logical reasoning. So, what is the final outcome of the fifth generation of computers? They are or they will be used as a device for decision making as well as for logical reasoning. Children, this much is for today's session, and we will meet in the next class, in the next session, where I will discuss with you with some more and new topic about class 5 computer. And if you are having any problem regarding the understanding of this lesson, please clear the doubts with me during the online class. Till then, children, goodbye and take care.